How to make your own stickers on WhatsApp without any app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can create our own stickers using our WhatsApp app. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, launch your WhatsApp and open up the chat that you want to add the stickers to. Just open up your WhatsApp and tap on the chat that you want to add the sticker to. So here, in order to add a sticker, you just need to tap on this text section and tap on the sticker icon add to your keyboard. The text box at the side of the text box, just tap on it. After tapping on it, you should be able to see this option called create your own stickers. So just tap on that create your own stickers option and select a photo that you want to create a sticker with, and wait for it to be loaded. After that, WhatsApp will automatically remove the background for you to make it easier for you to create a sticker. So you may just add text if you want. Just add any of the text and customize it accordingly as well. You may just change the font size or the color of the text as well. After that, just add it onto your sticker. Let's just do that for now, and you may also add another emoji or stickers as well, but for now I'm just gonna do this, and you will just tap on next, and just like that you have created your own story on WhatsApp. So therefore, by following this method, you can create your own story on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.